Put him up. Put him up. Which one are you first? I'll fight you both together if you want. I'll fight you with one paw tied behind my back. I'll fight you standing on one foot. I'll fight you with my eyes closed. Oh, pulling an axe on me, eh? Sneaking up on me, eh? Why?
Shame on you.
What did you do that for? I didn't bite him, but you didn't have to go and hit me, did you? Is my nose bleeding?
Why, you're nothing but a great big coward.
You're right. I am a coward.
It's empty. The tinsmith forgot to give me a heart.
No heart?
Can't you make up your mind?
I can't make up my mind. I haven't got a brain.
How can you talk if you haven't got a brain?
I don't know. But some people without brains do an awful lot of talking, don't they? Why, no. Oh, I'm not feeling at all well. Being stuck up here all day long with a pole up your back. Of course, I'm not bright about doing things,